Bitcoin tried breaking above $90,000 once again for I think the 20th time this month, and it looks like we are rejecting again and most likely gonna go and touch this zone right here. I think the $85,000. We've been playing in this range here for some time. Let's showcase it also here to you. Here we have it. So we have this parallel channel here that Bitcoin is moving in, and right now we are rejecting from the $90,000 area, and it looks like we're gonna touch again the bottom of this channel. Make sure you are staying until the end of the video. I'm gonna share some crazy insights with you that might change your opinion about the current market. Make sure you stay tuned until the end. Now let's see what happened here with Bitcoin. We had a nice push here. On Thursday we were at 84k and I took some profits there. Basically almost perfectly. I took some profits here, and after that the market started to move a little bit to upside. I could have opened the long position here, so I'm also not doing everything perfect, but yeah, I could have opened a long position here and hold it probably until here and sell it, but I still have my short opened at around, I don't know, I think it was around 91k, and I'm still gonna hold it because we didn't see a breakout. I already mentioned this in my previous video. Now let's see. Bitcoin looks like it's dropping like a stone, basically, quite heavily. We rejected here from $90,000 and it drops back to 89k, and probably looks like it's gonna go lower. The US market also just opened like 50 minutes ago, so doesn't look good for Bitcoin right now, but it looks good for us. If you've been in the VIP Elite Traders group, I already shared there some nice insights that if we will go to the upside, we will retest the 90k zone. And let me quickly show it to you here on my phone. The Elite VIP Traders group, just give me 1 second. So here we have it. Here we shared with you these insights, and I mentioned here, watch for a fake out above 90k to short or a breakdown retest of 88k 500. Now we had this fake out above 90k. We went to 90,350 and reject to the downside. So if you have been in the VIP group, you are most likely in a good short position right now. Always use just 1 or 2% risk, like 1 or 2% of your portfolio for a trading position. Don't risk too much. It's very important in trading to have proper risk management and use the right position sizing. Let's say you have $100,000 account, you would use just $1,000 to $2,000 for this trade, not more. With leverage, that can be like a $20,000 position, which is still quite big. Now the question is, where is Bitcoin going to go and where will we take profits? The first zone where we can take some profits is going to be here at around 87,900, and the next one would be probably somewhere around here at $85,000. That's where I'm going to be looking to take some profits. I'm also going to move my stop loss in the profit zone just in case we will see another fake out, so we are protected, so our trade doesn't go in the negative. That's very important. It's much more important to protect your capital than to chase gains. You can make gains every day, but if you're losing your capital, it's going to be much harder. Protect your capital at all costs, and everything will come to you at the right time. It's also very important that your mindset is clear. Don't chase anything. There is this saying, if you want the butterflies to come, you don't chase them, you build a beautiful garden. So make sure you are reading books, watching my videos, and getting as much knowledge about the financial markets as possible. Like that, you will make the right garden for some profitable trades. Besides that, learn technical analysis and how to use indicators. Basically, if you're a beginner, you can just use the RSI indicator right here, and we see it. It's always working. Just look at this. Even here on the 1 hourly, if you want to do quick trades on the 1 hourly, just check when it's getting into the overbought zone, and you could have already made around 2% of this short right here very easily. Let's look for when it's gonna go in the oversold zone. That's where we might take some profits from our short position. Now, let's also quickly talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is sitting at 3042, also dropping now with Bitcoin because of the rejection, and I think we will most likely touch this zone again, 2950. So let's see, we might open a short on Ethereum. Let's do it right here. I would say from 3055. Let's see if it will go there. And stop loss, I will put it very close here, maybe at 3102. And take profit, I would put it somewhere around here. This will be the final take profit. And we can see it's a 5.8 risk to reward trade, quite nice odds. So you're risking basically $1 to make $6 in this case, which is quite nice. And besides that, I'm also going to look to short some altcoins, and I think Doge is also up for a nice short. We can see it's facing rejection here, so we might go for a little bit of a dip. I know we are kind of having this inverse head and shoulders. That one didn't break out yet, so we have to be very careful that if we're going to open a long position, for example, let's say we are going to open this short position here on Doge. Let's see, I would put my stop loss before the breakout, so the breakout would be somewhere around here at 13 cents and 87. And let's see where we are going to take profits. We will take profits somewhere around here. I would say the 12 cents area. That's where I'm going to be looking to take some profits on the Doge trade. And yeah, you need to be very careful. It's not the best case scenario, but I think it's going to get rejected here because we see also Bitcoin is getting rejected and the whole market is quite bearish in general. We know the 4-year cycle is basically finished, and we also had this pattern right here. We had this rising wedge pattern that already broke down to the downside, and we are still not back into the wedge. So we are not out of the danger zone yet. We have to go above $94,000 for us to say the market is having a turn, and we will see a little bit of a rally to the upside. But for now, we had this breakdown, and the price target of this breakdown is at around $77,000. So you have to be quite careful with your positions right now. If you are in a long position, try to take some profits. It's always good to take profits. It's never wrong to take profits. Profits are always nice, and you can always make some more trades later. Right now, I would say it's definitely a difficult decision because we are standing in front of the breakout here. So we can also break out to the upside and try to test this zone here at 94,000. But for now, it looks like Bitcoin got rejected. We will have to watch it carefully in the next couple hours what it's going to do and trade according to the upcoming moves. It's very important right now. Let's say if it's going to break above $91,000, I would close my short position. That's why I think it's very important that we watch the upcoming hours. That was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye bye.